Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we are on the multi-choice section. So we got a heater that has a power rating of 3 kilowatts. It operates for 51 minutes. Find the total energy. So the answer is D. So 9,180 kilojoules. How did we get there? So we can skip step 1, we can skip the FBD. You can list the given variables if you want to, but here is how we solve it. So first find the formula. So energy is equal to power multiplied by time. So we convert the 3 kilowatts to kilojoules per second. It's a 1-to-1, so we just change the units. So we've got 3 kilojoules per second multiplied the time, so 51 minutes multiplied by the conversion factor, 60 seconds in 1 minute. Your seconds will cancel out, and then you are left with 9,180 kilojoules when you multiply everything together. Thanks for watching. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Alright, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I comply with all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, click on your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click the video option, then click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool, and stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.